Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the 8BitDo Pro 3 not connecting or not working issue.
Fix 1. Check controller mode. Step 1. Turn off the controller. Step 2. Hold Start plus B, X, Input, or Start plus X, switch mode. Step 3. Release when the LED starts blinking. Fix 2. Pair the controller. Step 1. Hold the pair button on the back for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your device. Step 3. Select 8BitDo Pro 3 from the list. Fix 3. Reset the controller. Step 1. Turn off the controller. Step 2. Hold Start plus B for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 3. Pair the controller again. Fix 4. Update firmware. Step 1. Connect the controller to PC or Mac with a USB cable. Step 2. Open 8BitDo Ultimate software. Step 3. Update the firmware if available.